Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma double cab V6 with the TRD Sport Upgrade package. It's a 4-door, a 5-passenger 4x4 pickup truck in a calm, cool and collected silver sky metallic. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine. You'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch wheels. Included in your TRD Sport Upgrade is your integrated navigation system, your sports tune suspension, and your smart key system with Qi wireless charging station for the ultimate convenience. Helping you into your Tacoma is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors, put the keys into my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it will unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a sporty and rugged interior. On the side you have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. You also do have your cargo lamp for your rear there, that 120-volt AC plug-in turning on and off those power, and you have your fully automatic high beams. Of course, your Tacoma comes with a full set of all-weather floor mats, and check out the detailing put into your leather seats here with almost that 3-dimensional quality in your center detailing, just to tie all of that sweet Tacoma style together. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open with your rear slide window, letting in all of that fresh air. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Tacoma with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake, you hit that push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool welcome screen, and your LCD screen is going to pop open too. It does have a low fuel warning, but we'll make sure to fill it up before you come in for your test drive. On your dashboard here, you have your multi-information display. So right now it's open to your settings for your Toyota Safety Sense features like your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert. You can set all of those settings from your steering wheel mounted controls, turning on and off the alert, as well as setting the sensitivity of those sensors. You also do have your volume control, mode changer, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on your steering wheel. Plus on this side here, you can find your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from below your steering wheel, and is a nice feature to have for those highway drives. You have a mix of perforated leather and leather wrapped steering wheel, tying all of that cool style together. And taking a look at your LCD screen here, a nice large format, easy to read. Opening up your applications, your Tacoma is equipped with a navigation system. Definitely come on in and punch in your home address and see how it works for you. It's a very user-friendly system. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen, nice and clear, easy to read, keeps everything and everyone nice and safe. Opening up your audio system, you have your AM FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You have your CD player on top, USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Below here you have your dual zone climate control, so it has that digital display over there. You can set your temperature for your driver and your passenger side. You also do have heated seat option for both your driver and your passenger side. Definitely going to be nice during those cold Alberta winters. And tackling those roads, you'll have your 4x4 option for taking on everything that Alberta has to offer. Below here you have your blind spot monitor, which the alert pops up on your side view mirrors. You have your power slide rear window, your USB auxiliary input, your 12-volt DC charger, and a nice technology feature to have is you turn on and off the power for your Qi wireless charging station, and you simply put on your compatible device on top of that pad there, and it will charge for you, so no more cords and wires hanging out all over the place. You also have that rugged detail in your cup holders, that leather trim on your shift knob, and your parking brake. Inside your center console you have another 12-volt DC charger in there in case you need to charge your iPad for work. And taking a look at your glove box here, you have all the manuals you'll need to know, everything there is to know about your Tacoma. You have that badging and that lock to tie everything together. Plenty of functionality and style built right into your truck, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo.
Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tacoma. Taking a closer look, you do have that cargo lamp in the back here for visibility. You also do have your power slide rear window to let in all of that fresh air. Standard, you have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have that handy step to access your cargo. You also do have your trailer and tow equipment, plus your spare tire storage underneath. Opening up your easy lift and lower tailgate, no more slamming that door down. And you have plenty of space to store everything that you need in the back of your Tacoma. You have some additional storage options on the side, plus that handy cargo lamp, cargo aligner to keep everything protected. If you're working in the back of your Tacoma, you have your 120 volt AC plug-in, which you can turn the power on and off from your driver position. You see you have that Tacoma badging with that chrome V6 as we take one more look at the back of your TRD Sport.
Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab V6 with the TRD Sport Upgrade Package. Built right into your pickup truck is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.